front bumper's off. Fairly simple. 19mm nuts. We're all in these holes here. A couple Torx were in the bottom there. And you have to unplug the lights. So now we're going to work on getting the winch plate on there. I think I don't know. I think it goes on the bumper first. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Gotta open it up. Check it out. I'll catch you back up. Okay, getting closer. The winch unspooled because I'm going with synthetic. All the wiring landed on the winch. Winch plate is in. Bolting locations. And bolts here, here, and here. Right there. You got to take those off and take that plate off to get that nut on. It's a pain in the butt. And then same thing on this side. Here, here, and this one down here. You got to take those off and get that plate off. And then the outside has two more. Right there. That one and that one. And then this plate, if you loosen it, makes it a lot easier to loosen this nut so this plate's loose. Then you can get those two to go in a lot better. Alright, we're going to try to moment of truth. We've dry fitted it a few times and it looks like it's going to fit alright. Now now everything's tight, so hopefully these ones here. You got to unplug this here. It's pretty easy. Press down there, pull that out. And then that one and that one there. Loosen this, makes it a lot easier. Okay, here we go. We're going to try to get the winch in now. I'll set it in there and see how it looks. I'll bring you back. There she is. Mocked up. And a little customizing on the bracket here. You see it sits on top of the bumper. So I modified it, and it's pretty solid right there. I like that. That's pretty good. And she's bolted in right now, so she's not loose. I do have to put some tension on it. But that's it. She's in there. That's the winch. Smittybilt winch, front bumper. It fits. If you mounted this right here on the center, I wanted to be able to see my line. I don't know why, but I did. But if I mounted this on top here, it would have been a lot easier. I think this will fit right there. Perfect. It overlapped a little bit, but I like that. That leaves me plenty of airflow still. That's pretty slick. I'm alright. I'm happy. Alright, I want to get back to finishing up here. I still got to wire it. I don't know if I'm going to get to the wiring today. Maybe tomorrow. But at least the winch is in. Okay, that's what she looks like on the bottom. Here's the winch plate right here. And I had to bolt it here. You have to remove this plate to get that bolt and nut in, because there's a hole down here and a hole right here. And it was a pain in the butt. There's another, those you gotta do with I used a ratchet wrench, speed ratchet or whatever, because there's not a lot of room to get to those two guys. And it's in there good. Then I gotta get that what do you call that, guard for the disconnect. I got a slide or rock thing, protector thing, majigger that mounts to this here, and then that mounts to these here. Hey, get back where you go. Yeah, right there. That's where it goes. Oh, I dropped one. Gotta find one. Okay, back to work for me.